Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you're watching, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you all the different ways you can join clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you want your clips to play smoothly, play back to back, match audio and video that were recorded separately, or combine multiple clips in one, it will all be covered in this video. So let's get started. The easiest way is what we call simple join, by just simply dragging the whole clips. So this is the easiest way to join your clips. You just drag it close to each other, and if there is any at all, for example, we have these clips together. Yeah, they were recorded seamlessly together, but let's assume they were like this, and like this, like this, like this. All we need to do is to either drag them and bring them together. That is join already. Or we right click here and click simple ripple delete. Right click, ripple delete. Right click, ripple delete. Or if we want to delete one of these, we just delete. The best way to delete it is to click on it and right click on it and click on ripple delete. So in that way, by implication and by easy means, we have join them together by a method we call simple join. The second method is snap feature. Now, you look at this feature here, it's turned on, it's called snap feature. So when this feature is turned on, if it's not on, let's say like this, all I need is to just press S on my keyboard and it's turned on. So whenever you drag a clip, it automatically let's say now this tool, this is what happens if this snap is not on. You will see it's not showing me where to snap it to. All right, it's just going to either have a gap or it enters into another clip. But with this turn on, when you reach here, it shows you where to drop it. You say that is the end, that's the end, that's the end, that's the end. So the tool enables you to be able to know where to drop it, not to pass your boundary as when it is not on. So that snap feature tool helps you a lot, you see. So it can either create gap or not. So that is how the snap feature tool helps you to automatically drag and drop without having it cross over or allowing you to have a gap. So it helps you to know exactly what you're doing. So the next method, which is the most important method, is the nesting. Now, if I have all of this now, let's say I want to be able to put one or two things together on it. Let's say I've been able to cut off all the unwanted part and I just want to edit this together. All that I need to do is to right click on this and click on nest. Now I will now name it, let's say I just say one cam. Then okay. Now it's going to nest the whole of these clips together, allowing me, if I put maybe adjustment layer or anything and do anything, or without even, if I just make any change to any of these things, it will affect all of the clips. Anything I do to one clip will affect all of it. So I have been able to successfully join this. So this enables you in terms of color grading, in terms of a lot of things. It helps you to do that. So if I want to edit them separately, I have to double click on it and it will take me back to where they are, 1 1 1 1 1. So that is another trick for you to do when you're joining the clips. So another clip, which is the last one, is assuming you have because we're looking at joining, you have your videos and your audios recorded separately. Let me unlink this. So you have them unlinked. they are not together, they are recorded separately, and you'll be able to maybe sync them together. Now you want to join them together so that you don't move video out and the audio is still there. So you just highlight all of them, right click, and then you come and say group. So once you group them, all of them will be grouped together. But mind you, if you are looking at just doing this one by one, you link them together. You right click and link them together. Right click and link them together so that each clip still have its independency. So you see that all the clips with their independency, they have their audio linked to them as it should, not as you highlight all of them and group. Instead of grouping, you just do what? Right click and nest them instead of grouping. So you just nest, all right? We've already nested it, so no need for that. So you see that it's nested. So that is that for that. So those are the main ways to which you can join clips in Premiere Pro. You simply drag and drop. Using the snapping and then the nesting, matching audio and video and exporting as one clip. Super useful for keeping your timeline clean and organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and let know in the comment what Premiere Pro tips you would like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.